Goes Danny, look, clearing a path to the door. We've made it to where we need to be. Look at that scenery. Now I'm filming this especially for Eleanor. Danny does cook.
Yep.
Here's proof.
It's Brian's turn tomorrow.
Danny, there's the remnants of last night's fire. A little campsite. We've cleared a path this morning to get rid of all the vines and all the overgrowth. Danny's been hacking away at this this bush here because it's obstructing the view. There's the mountains and all the clouds coming in. It's quite rainy today, so we're just going to sit it out and relax, and then if it stops raining later on, we'll go and have a hike and see what else we can find while we're exploring the woods.